Oh my God. If you had a hangover and needed revitalising, refreshing, look at this. Hello everyone, and welcome back to a rainy food review club. I'm here in Sunderland at a bit of a local legend, I think. We've been here for probably about 25 minutes, milling around. We had a long drive. We got here and it's pumping, full of people. We were recommended this place by quite a lot of people as well, saying that this is a little like local legend, a little bit of a classic. You've got to try. Come and have a look at this food. This is like a £15 box meal. They do. The bit of everything. Oh my God. If you had a hangover and needed revitalising, refreshing, look at this. I feel like this foil's flapping in the wind. Look at this. So I've got some fancy doner meat. Oh my God. I've got some chicken tikka in there as well with some... My mouth is actually watering. Lamb chops. Look at these lamb chops. Oh my God. I've got some naga chicken wings, some cheesy jalapeno topped chips, and in the middle we've got a whopping great big burger. Oh my God, this looks amazing. Now these sort of boxes like this are absolute classics. We love them. You get a bit of everything. You got your chips, you got your burger, so you've got some doner meat, got some chicken tikka, bit of lamb as well for the people who like the lamb, and with some wings. You've got everything. 15 quid, you can't go wrong. Now, this is what I'm excited about. In there, speciality to Spice Hut, which is a franchise, by the way. There should be some of these places all around the place. London, Newcastle was a few. They put spices and seasoning, flavours and sauces onto your doner meat. Remember, it's got boring doner meat carved off the kebab meat, you know, like off the thing, whatever you want to call it. Brain stopped working.
What is it?
Whatever. It's tossed, it's turned, it's seasoned, it's flavoured. Same as my lamb chops. They're not pulled out of a pan. Look, I've got onions with caramelisation on there. It's everything that you'd get normally, but leveled up a little bit. This is a new breed of takeaways, and I'm very excited by it. Right, what we're gonna have first? Doner meat. I am Donna fucking McGregor. Let's get in and see what the kebab king thinks of this doner meat. Come and have a look. Oi. Look at it. Food review fans, get in the comments. Good, rate it, hate it, or get in the comments and give it a share. There he is. Come here.
Hey, mate.
Hey, hey.
All right.
How's it going? Little fist bump. So, you work here, yeah?
Yeah, mate, yeah.
Is it a popular place?
Oh, mate, it is, I'm telling you.
So look, people from Sunderland who are watching this now, they'll know about this place.
Yeah, they do.
What do you think is so special about this food?
It's new to Sunderland, mate.
Is it?
Aye, mate.
This is a brand new shop?
Aye, mate. We didn't have any of this here.
So this is a franchise that's come up from other places?
Yes, up from south.
Wicked.
Yeah.
It's been a success,
another
yeah?
one opening in Newcastle. They're opening one in...
Oh, so it's not open yet then?
Yeah, the Newcastle one's opening soon, and there's one opening in Leeds as well.
I've heard banging things about it, and it tastes pretty good as well.
It does, yeah.
So you got on the deliveries now, yeah?
Aye, aye.
Good luck.
No, mate.
God bless.
Thank
See
you.
ya.
Yeah.
So, he's in. He's in. This tastes incredible. I've got onion. I've got peppers. I've got chicken tikka in there as well, look. I've got textures. The doner meat is electric. Stunning. This is not MasterChef. This is the working man's food. What you guys will be ordering at your weekends at home, watching this right now. Wow. Okay. Chips. Little fries. You know what? I don't know if I'm hungry or not. They're just like banging little French fries, covered in this like cheesy sauce, which actually equalises the spice. Look at that. This is awesome. This is really, really cool. Let's dive into one of these lamb chops.
It looks so good. I don't even like lamb.
Oh, just stop. Like, get that onion off there. Right. That's special. It really is special. Dare I say it as well? Never judge a book by its cover. It doesn't look that flash in there, other than the fact there's packs of people. Would you agree, Jess? It looks clean, looks tidy, but it doesn't look like it was done by a designer or by a marketing team on brand. However, that is...
What kind of flavour is it?
That is romantic. I've got a spicy kick to it with a sweet, spicy sauce, but it's cut perfectly charred. Look at the charring on the outside. It's got that char. It's tender. It's juicy. Look. This is special food, and I'm so excited about it. Guys, get in the comments, please. Let me know what you think. The lamb chops. Wow. Holy smokes. I don't know what's going on these chips. Excuse me, guys. I'm just enjoying this. Right. I've got Naga wings.
Do them last.
You think? Yeah?
Yeah.
Could you hold that with your other hand quickly? Hold that a second. Well done for not spilling it. I'll try and get my burger out. So in here I've got hash brown, 2 patties, some salad. It's just not feeling like my salad today. There we go. Let's dive in. Look at this. It's just good. It's just good. The burger isn't one of your gourmet, fancy dancy, special market leaders. However, it's the sort of burger you absolutely need when you fancy a burger. That type of burger. And you will know exactly what I mean. I can't wait to get more of that into me, by the way. Now, chips.
You're loving them chips.
They're the sort, again, they're the sort of chips you want to eat. It's got this most creamy, cheesy sauce on it as well. I'm assuming that's what it is. Okay, let's go in for one of these Naga wings. I said they were like medium spiced, didn't they?
No, they're hot.
Okay, what?
Everything else you asked for was medium.
Oh, what, and this is hot?
That's like, yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, these are Naga wings. We had some of their wings inside for a little bit of a starter. Brought them out to us. Very kind. What would you say about those wings, Jess?
Yeah, they were like...
Delicious, yeah?
Nothing like I've ever tried before.
Really?
Yeah. Really,
Why?
Really different. Like a
texture?
Coating on them, yeah, that was just...
Well, these look like the same kind of wings. They've got a really meaty, robust coating on them. These ones have got sauce on them, so they're not got the crispy outer coating. However, they've still got that kind of feel to them. They look the part. Let's dive in. He's going to go everywhere. Could blow my head off. Pray for Matt. Here we go. Yeah, it's got a kick. You know what, it's nice though.
Is it?
Yeah. The boys inside, people, I've got a t-shirt saying license. Does that say license to spice?
Yeah.
Something like that. I kind of like it. Kind of corny, kind of tacky, but I like it. This is Flavour Central. The lamb chops, easily my favourite part of that. They are special. Special in a really unfancy way. The doner meat, that is large and in charge. The flavours are just wicked. It just works. And for £15 for a box, is that what it is, Jez, yeah?
Yeah, I feed like...
That would feed at least one person. I would smash that in, I ain't gonna lie. Right, and this is special. I've got something I've never had on the page before. Are you ready for drink watch that is? 7-Up cherry. That says it as well, gout on it. What is gout in must be a foreign language?
Sugar?
Gout Charisse. Okay, let's go. How are you all anyway? Get in the comments, let me know how you are. Where are you watching from now? Thank you for being here as well. Here we go. 7-Up cherry, let's go. Really nice. Actually quite a refreshing drop after having some spicy, delicious meat. Now,
Is it like Cherryade?
yeah,
I used to love Cherryade.
try that. Really good. Just like Cherryade.
Oh yeah.
So, Spice Hut. This has been a wicked one. I know I'm standing in the rain. I'm in Sunderland. I'm way up north. I'm way past the border. I'm over the hill. I'm with the wildlands. But something about this food is getting me excited. I haven't featured anything like this on the page since we did something in Peterborough. We got these boxes with delicious doner. Bog standard, traditional doner. Can't lace this is shoes. This is just like better. If you like your flavours and spices, this doner meat kills it all day long. And you throw in the lamb chops in the mix with a burger, delicious chips and naga wings. Mate, this is legit. Right, I'm going to give this a score as a chicken chop. This is a 9.1 out of 10 all day long. I love it. Now, the burger, for example, it's never going to be a 9.1 burger by itself. But as a package, this doner meat is exceptional. The lamb chops, one of the best I've had. The wings, delicious. The chips, great. As a package for a price, overall, it's in the nines all day long. This is... We just edited a video today about chicken cottage. It was disgusting. It was horrendous. It was cheap, nasty, horrible food with no love and passion. This is the same type of chicken shop doing this. That is the difference, night and day. Thanks for watching, everyone. Get in the comments if you agree, disagree, or if you just want to give me some abuse. If you're watching on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button or just give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, everyone. That was our first, I think, Sunderland review.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.